To measure a distance, click the Linear Measurement button in the Show Measurements submenu, accessible from the toolbar, or by right-clicking on the image. Alternatively, press the configured key binding, which is set to the R key by default. Then, drag the left mouse button to draw a segment. The length of the segment will be displayed in millimeters. If needed, drag the label to reposition it. To adjust the measurement, click on it and drag one of the segment endpoints. To move the measurement, drag it to a new position. To remove the measurement, click on it and press the Cancel key. Alternatively, click the Remove Measurements button in the Show Measurements submenu to delete all unsaved measurements from the current image series. Unsaved measurements remain available only for the duration of the session.